This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good evening everyone. My screen is visible for you
Yes, ma'am.
and am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So yesterday we had done about the topics like workbook, like how to protect the particular workbook, protect the current sheet. So by encrypting the password, so and then decryption, all those things we had learned yesterday. Okay. So now let us continue the topics today. Okay, so I'll just go for the file menu. Okay, so just go to the file menu. So yesterday I had done till this print option. Okay, so I had done till this print option. So if you just click on this print menu, so you can just take so many number of copies also here. So until approximately 32,000 copies, you can just take the print. Okay, so something if I just type here, so I'll just type here as NICT computer education. So the same thing I wanted to take the printout. Okay, so I can just go to the print preview. Okay, so can anyone just tell me the shortcut key for print preview?
Control plus F2.
Correct. Very good. So if you just press Control F2, so now you can use the you can go to the particular print preview. Okay. So and then you can just take so almost 32,000 copies. Okay. 32,000 copies maximum you can take at once. Okay. So that is about the print option which I told you yesterday. Okay, so now hope so everything has been cleared about the yesterday's topic. So now today let us go to the share. So sharing is nothing but you can save it to the cloud. So I think you know about the cloud storage. Say now in the Google we will call that as a Google Drive. Okay, so in the same way we will be having the cloud storage to the cloud as we are having in the Gmail, like so mail ID and the password for this Gmail to log in.
Ma'am,
In the same, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, about yesterday's class, I had one single doubt, but like I wasn't able to like connect yesterday, so but like I had this doubt, ma'am. In the
Yeah,
protect
tell
your
me.
workbook option, ma'am, in like the read only, you told if we can like if we click Central plus S and we can actually get an edited copy, right? But then read only actually protects the
Correct.
workbook. So like, what's the point, ma'am? Like, if we can't edit there, like, why are we like only to create another? I mean, to create another copy. I mean, if it's protecting the workbook, why do we need like another copy, ma'am? I'm not so sure I understood that.
See, for example, this particular, say for example, if you just go to this info, protect workbook, and if you just activate this option, always open read only, and then if you just save this file, and the next time if you open the same file, it will be opened as read only. Okay, so and then you can make the changes. Okay, so the first time, whichever the file you have protected, the changes will not be saved. So the second time which you are saving will be the second copy. Okay, so whatever the changes you are doing to the first copy will not be affected. Okay, so that is the reason we are saving this particular file in the read only format. Okay,
Okay,
understanding?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I'll just deactivate this. Yes, any other doubts for anyone? Okay. So now let us go to the share. Okay, so now I was explaining this. So you can just save it to the particular cloud option, cloud storage here. Okay, this is like the steps it will be showing you. The step one is nothing but save your document to a OneDrive location. Okay, so you are having the Google Drive. So in the same way, you will be having the OneDrive, that is nothing but the cloud storage, that is called as a cloud storage, and it is called as the OneDrive location. So and then you can share your document there, and whenever if you just log into the same OneDrive, you will be getting the particular file which you have saved there. Okay, so that is about the sharing the particular type of the file.
Ma'am, could you repeat this?
Yeah, so you will be having the Google Drive, right? So you will be having the Google Drive. So in the same way, you will be having the OneDrive location. Okay, so OneDrive in the sense you Google Drive is a Google product, and OneDrive is nothing but Microsoft product. Okay, so in OneDrive you can just save the particular file which you are needed. Okay, so from the next time onwards, so if you just log into that particular OneDrive ID. Okay, so not only in this system, in any other system, if you just log in by using the ID and the password, you will be getting the same particular file. Okay, so
Ma'am,
that is about the, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, can you repeat what did you tell about OneDrive is Google and Microsoft? I just missed that
Yeah,
point.
yeah. So Google Drive is a Google product. Okay, Google Drive is a Google product, and OneDrive is a Microsoft product. Okay, OneDrive is a Microsoft product.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's why whatever the particular files you save, so it will be saved in the particular cloud storage. That means in the OneDrive location, like that. So and then next option is about the export. Okay, so I'll just open the notepad and then I'll just put it here. So the first thing we did is nothing but share the workbook to the cloud storage. Okay, so then now it is about the export. So as I told you, exporting is nothing but so you can just convert the Excel file into the PDF file. Okay, so convert the Excel file into the PDF file. What is the full form of the PDF? One of your friend told, one of you told me yesterday, I mean day before yesterday.
Portable document format.
Very good, very good. So now you can just create a PDF file, or else since I have already shown you that one, so I'll just go to the next option, that is nothing but change file type. Okay, so change file type, so you can see here, so to so many formats it will be available. So that means you can just if you just save it, so it will be saved in the Excel workbook format. So then Excel 97 to 2003 workbook format. So then this is document spreadsheet format. Then this is template format. So then this is macro enabled workbook. So macro enabled is nothing but the VBA, Visual Basic. Okay, Visual Basic application. So the recorded particular files, so like commands or the particular programs, if you can add over here, so that is nothing but macro enabled workbook. Then this is binary workbook. Okay, so then the other file types like text, CSV, formatted text, so many formats are there here. Okay, so like other version workbook also you can save as. And say for example, yesterday I told you about the template. Okay, say for example your college format. So if you wanted to prepare the application form of your college to the admission. Okay, so the application format you can just prepare in the Excel file, and then you can prepare as a template. I mean, you can save that as a template. So you can just click on this template and then you can save as. Okay, so it will be opened as a template only. So save as type, here also you will be getting, from here also you can just save the type of the file. Okay, so just to go for this, so and then you can save as Excel workbook, macro enabled workbook, binary workbook, 97 to 2003 workbook. Okay, so CSV is nothing but comma separated file. So and then XML data, okay, web page, Excel template. Okay, so many formats are available here. So PDF also is available here. This is the most important thing. So if we wanted to share the file to anyone, so then we have to convert this into PDF and then we have to save it and share it. Okay, so
Ma'am,
now you
ma'am,
can yeah, tell me.
ma'am, few people share it in the XLX format, no, ma'am.
XLSX means, so you should be having the Excel file, I mean Excel software to open the XLSX file. But if suppose if your recipient is not having Excel, then what will you do? So you have to convert that into PDF and then you have to send the data. Okay, so
Okay.
then only he can browse it like that. I mean, he can access it like that. So the other formats like what? So the as 97 to 2003, as
Ma'am,
97 to
excuse me,
2003
ma'am.
format. Yeah, tell me.
Is there any other way of
Hmm.
sharing through email?
Other way of sharing through email. So that is nothing but Excel file. Excel file, Excel. So these formats like XLSX formats. So the first thing is about XLSX format. Okay. So then 97 to 2003 format, binary workbook format. So then macro enabled workbook format.
Ma'am, these are all the
Okay.
formats in which you can export the workbook, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So and then the template format. Okay, so these are very important to share the file like that. So the XLSX formats. So go for the file menu. So and then go for this export. So and then go for this change file type. See, can you see this? So many formats you are having here. Okay, so to all the formats you can just export it. So template is nothing but, so this is very important, template and the PDF. So template is nothing but a ready made format which is prepared in the Excel. Understood, no?
Ma'am, can you please open the notes?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what did you tell for template? Ready made?
Formats, ready made formats of the Excel.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can't we share a link through email, like so that everybody can access? Is there any option as
Yeah, you
such?
can, you can send. So in Excel it is not available, but in the Gmail only it is available. You can share this file as a link. Okay, then they can access like that. Okay, so we will go to the next option. So this is publish. So publish to Power BI. So Power BI is nothing but a different software. Okay, this is a different software. So BI stands for business intelligence. So that is a different software. So this Power BI is a software which is used for data analysis. Okay, so different types of charts, different types of analytics, we analysis we can do it from this particular software. Okay, so the whatever the data we will prepare in the Excel, so that data we have to export it into Power BI, and according to that data we have to use for analysis in the Power BI only, like that. So you will be having upload and the export. Okay, so uploading is nothing but uploading workbook to the Power BI, and export is also the same thing. So exporting workbook data to Power BI software. So that means all the options which are there in the Power BI, you can use it, you can access it for the particular data.
Ma'am, what is Power BI?
Power BI is a software which is used for business analysis. Okay, so BI stands for business intelligence. Okay, so Power BI. BI stands for business intelligence.
Ma'am, so do we have to use this all the times we're saving anything, or only when we want to analyze a particular data and a workbook?
Yeah. So whenever we wanted that particular analysis, so then only we have to use that. So every time it is not required.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now closing option, so this is nothing but into mark if you use, so then this particular Excel file will be closed. Okay, so then you will be having account. So as I told you in the first class only, so if you just go for the account, you can just see the information about the product. Okay, so information about the product. So and then even you can even change the office background. Say now for example, so here you are having background calligraphy. So can you see in the right corner? Okay, right corner. Okay, so doodle diamonds. So can you see this? So to the right upper corner, so the designs you will be getting. See, this is geometry, lunchbox, spring, school supply. So many, it will be viewed good anta. Okay, so like this. So beautiful, it will be looking like the appearance will be good anta. That's all. That is about the office background. So and then office theme, so this is very important. So if you just click on this, so and then if you just click on this dark gray, see, can you see this? So I'll just go for the back. So can you see the whole Excel workbook page has been converted into the dark gray color? Okay, understanding. So where
Ma'am,
I
can you
have
do once again,
to
ma'am?
go, yeah, so where I have to go, click on this file menu. So and then go for account. Okay, so then office theme, so as you do in your mobile phone, theme black, gray, white and all. So in the same way, in for Excel also you'll be having the themes, office theme. So if you just select this, and so I'll be selecting this black this time, so it will be converted into complete black. So can you see, completely of black color? So comparatively, so the options you will be visible clearly. Okay, so with the help of the colorful only, or else the theme only, white theme only. Okay, so white or colorful, so this one only we were using. Okay, so this will be more visible. All the options
Ma'am, your voice is
okay.
breaking.
Hmm. So click on the file. So now account. Okay, so click on the file, and then here you are having account. Okay, so that means you can just change the office background and the office theme as well. Okay, so office theme to the black color, gray color and all. Okay, yes, so I will suggest you to take always the colorful theme only. Okay, so this is about the office theme. So next, if you just go for the more, so and then here you will be having options. Say for example, in your mobile phone there will be so many types of settings. So you will be changing the settings like you will be changing,
Ma'am, ma'am,
putting
ma'am, your
Ma'am, your
voice is
voice is
breaking.
breaking.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
so now if you just click on this more and then the options. Okay, so the same type of settings which you will be using in your mobile phone. Okay, so the same types of settings you can use it in the even Excel also. Okay, so just to go for this options. So and then so many types of settings are there here in the options. So these are all the Excel options. Okay, so general options, formulas, data, proofing, save, language, ease of access, advanced, customize, ribbon, quick access toolbar. Okay, so so many things which are available in the options.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you
can you
repeat
Okay,
repeat
once
how
again, ma'am?
to?
so now here in this Excel, you will be having more number of options available. Okay, so like in your mobile phone, you will be having each and every options like setting your required mobile phone ringtone. Okay, your required message tone, your required settings you will be putting, activating. Okay, so in the same way for this Excel also, so some more options are available. You can just make the settings to the Excel software. Okay, so now you can go for the file, so and then go for more options, and then again go for options. Okay, so you go for the more. Okay, so more options. So what is this? How you have to go for this? So you have to go for this like by clicking on file. Okay, so then go for more. Okay, so then go for options here. Okay, so you can see various types of options
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
yeah. So general options. Okay, so then language. Okay, so then proofing. Okay, so then what else?
Ma'am, so these are basically options which are
Uh,
available on phone. Hello?
data.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
No, not like that. Yeah. Wait. 1 minute. So now is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. I had a doubt. So these extra options are basically options which are available on phone but not on computer until you go and specifically select them, right?
No, not like that. I had just given you the example, that's all. Okay, so in your mobile phone, you can do the configurations and settings. In the same way, you can do configurations and settings in your Excel software also. Like that, I told you. Okay, so these
Oh,
options are available only in Excel, not in the phone. Okay,
uh,
ha. So then ease of access. Ease of access. Okay, so these are all the general options we are having in the more options of Excel. Okay, so the first thing is about the general. Okay, so in this general, so many options are available here. So whichever the features, if you wanted to browse and all, so you can just go and various types of
Ma'am, your voice is lagging, ma'am.
okay, now okay, so now this is about the options here. So in this general, I will be showing you the font size. So font size, so what I will do is, so if you just change this to uh, 22. Okay, so for example, I'm just showing you. So if I just change this to 22, I was having 11 as the font size, but now I'm just changing that to the 22 as the font size. So now I'll just click on OK. Okay, so now whatever the changes we make here, so again you have to reopen. I mean, you have to close and restart the Excel. So that one only I'm doing now. I will be opening the reopening the Excel here. So now I'll just close the Excel. So now I'll just open the Excel again. So now can you see? So this name box, formula bar. Okay, so then this columns, rows, everything has been increased. So the size of these particular columns, rows, everything has been increased here. Okay, so it was actually 11, but now it is since I have changed that to 22, so it has been changed here. Understood, no? Do you want me to show it once again?
Understood, ma'am.
Understood. Okay. Yeah. So now here
Excuse me, ma'am.
actually there will be, yeah, yeah, tell me.
Like I couldn't hear your voice like for some time. Can you repeat it again, ma'am?
Ah. So now go for this file menu. So and then go for more options here. Okay. So now here I will be changing the font size into 22. Okay, so I will be changing the font size into 22, and this time I will be include this many sheets, like I will be changing that into 3. Okay, so about the sheets also I am changing, because each and every time I cannot adding going on adding the sheets for each and every workbook. So that's why I am fixing off the particular default number of worksheets, so that whenever I open a new Excel workbook, always I'll be getting 3 number of worksheets. Understanding my point? So and then so this time I have changed these two options. So that means font size and include this many sheets, so as 3. So now just let us see what will happen. So now click on OK here. So now I have to restart my Excel. So that means I have to close the Excel file, and then I have to open the Excel file. So again, if I just click on this blank workbook, so now can you make out the changes? So the column, alphabets, row numbers, name box, formula bar, sigma, fx, everything, it has been changed into 22, and I have got here the 3 number of worksheets as default. Understanding?
Ma'am, so if you make
Yes,
the
ma'am. Got
changes like that, so every time if we open a new workbook, that will be the default font size and the number of worksheets.
Exactly, correct, correct. So in the
Okay.
same way, always it will be the font size. See, can you see here? The font size will be 22, and the workbook also it will be like in a bigger size, and in the same way, the sheets also you will be getting 3 number of worksheets. So no need to add going on adding the new adding the number of worksheets for each and every workbook, like that. Clear? So now I'll just change that to the font size into how much I was having the default font size
11.
previous 11, correct. And the default number of sheets, you know that, so there was one worksheet. And even you can change the username as a welcome, any other names you can just use here as MCC. Okay, like that. Okay, so that is about the general options. Okay, so if you just click on this formulas, so many options are available here. You can change the colors, then automatic calculations and all, you can do it from here. So one more thing I wanted to explain you, that is nothing but in this proofing. in this proofing you will be having one option, so that is nothing but auto correct options. Okay, anyone know about this option, auto correct options?
It automatically rectifies your mistakes or the spellings.
Very good. What type of mistake?
Spellings.
So the spelling mistake. Okay, so the spell, not like spelling mistake. Say for correct, spelling mistakes. Say, or else you can use the shortcuts also. Say for example, if you type here as you and then press enter, so you should be getting YOU. Okay, so then if you just press R, so then you should be getting ARE. So no need to use no need to use the typing of YOU and ARE. So if you just type here as R, then automatically it should be getting ARE. Okay, so that one I will just show you now. Okay, so now what I have to do for that auto correct options, so just go for the file menu, so and then go for this options here. Okay, so just to go for this options here. So so what I had taught for you, so that is nothing but in the general option, so I had taught you about hmm, font size and the default number of sheets. And in the proofing, so I'm showing you this very important autocorrect options. So now if you just go for this file and then more and then options, so if you just go for this proofing, then you go for this autocorrect options. Okay, so now you are having replace and then here with. Okay, so this is replace and then this is with. Okay, so replacing is nothing but, so what you will be typing. Okay, so that one you have to give here. And
Ma'am,
then
we couldn't hear
with
you,
is
ma'am.
nothing but what it has to be displayed. So now click on add here. So yeah, so now file, more options. Okay, so now here proofing, so then go for auto correct options. Okay, so replace what you have to type, so and then with, so then what it has to be replaced with. Okay, so then you want, you have to click on OK here, again click on OK. So then whenever you type R and then press enter, can you see ARE? So how many types you type also. Okay, so you will be getting ARE. Understood? Again I will show you. So click on file, so and then more. Okay, so now go for proofing. Okay, so now go for auto correct options. So now I will use only MCC. Okay, MCC. So now it has to be replaced with Mount Carmel College. Okay, so it has to be replaced with Mount Carmel College and then click on add and then click on OK. So again click on OK. So now this time if I just type here as MCC, no. So now again proofing autocorrect options. Okay. So now MCC if I just type. See now I am getting. Okay. So MCC now Mount Carmel College. Automatically it will be replaced. See how many times if you just type also it will be replaced here like that. Okay. Small MCC doesn't work. So capital MCC only you have to give like. Understood no? So this is about the autocorrect options. Any doubts in this?
Actually, half of the time your voice was not audible, ma'am.
Okay. So you have understood that autocorrect options or not? You want me to repeat that?
Yes, ma'am. Like one more time.
Yeah. Okay. So now this time I will use this U. Okay. So you have to type as soon as you type this U. So it has to be replaced with the YOU. Okay. So now go for this file menu. So now go for this more options. Okay. So now go for proofing. So and then go for autocorrect options. Okay, so now replace you. Okay, you type there as you and then with. So in the with you type here as YOU. Okay, so you just make a note of it. So replace means you, with means YOU. Okay, so then click on add here and then click on OK. Again click on OK. Okay, so now if you just type here only you, so then it will be replaced by YOU. Understood no? So I'm just typing here as you and then press enter. So then automatically it will be replaced. Any doubts?
Understood, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So then next thing. For the next option, I'll use the next sheet. So what is autofill option? I had told you this autofill. So that means as soon as I type here 1 2 3, so I want to get till 100. So is it possible?
Yes, ma'am. By
Yes,
click, by selecting it,
Ah,
clicking on the small box and dragging it.
very good. Yes, yes, exactly. Selecting and then dragging it automatically you will be getting the numbers with how much ever you want to apply. So now this time I will use ABCD. I will be getting this ABCD. So
Yes, ma'am.
let me check. So see this ABCD I am not getting. So this
no, ma'am. You
alphabets
have to
are
first
not getting.
adjust it in the.
Hmm.
Ma'am, because ABCD A to Z is not saved in the Excel as default.
Correct, correct. Correct, correct. So that is nothing but customizing the list. Okay, so you have to add it to the custom list. So go for the more and then the options. So now go for this advanced option. So now you have to come down. You have to scroll down. So and then here you have to go for the edit custom list. So I think this one I have told you. Have I
Yes,
told
ma'am.
you this one? Okay, okay. So from here you have to import it like that. Okay. So then, so in this advanced, no, so you have to use advanced. So in this you have to use the edit custom list option. Okay. So now let us go for the home tab. Okay, so in this hope so everybody has understood this file menu options, so because those things are very very important. Okay, so now in today's class let us start with the home tab now. Okay, so in this home tab you are having the clipboard group. So in this you are having
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
voice
your
is
Ma'am, your
lagging,
voice
ma'am.
is
cut
breaking.
options,
Ma'am, your
that is
voice is
copy paste
breaking.
and all. Okay, so here I
excuse me, ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am. Your voice is actually breaking and lagging in between.
now my voice is audible. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Okay. So now in this we are starting with a home tab. Okay. So in this home tab we are having cut, paste, and then the copy and paste options. Okay, so now I will be telling you the cutting option. Okay, so cutting and pasting is nothing but we are having 14 options. So that is nothing but paste special options. So each and every option I will be teaching you. So cutting is nothing but, so you have to click on this option. So cut option. So and then for the other cell, so you just click on the other cell. So and then go for the paste here. See, cutting and pasting, so that means, so from one place you are cutting and you are pasting it into the another cell, so that is nothing but cut and paste. Okay, so what is the shortcut key for cut? So control. Okay, so control X. Okay, control X is the shortcut key for cut. Okay, control X is the shortcut key for cut. So now we are starting with the home tab. Okay, so in this we are in the clipboard group. Okay, so now
Excuse me,
under the
ma'am.
clipboard, yeah,
Can you show the notes, ma'am, once?
yeah, cut option. So cut command.
The previous one, ma'am.
Previous one actually I lost it because I will be sending it to your WhatsApp. Okay, so you can go through. Okay, so because my voice was breaking, no, so I connected to the other connection. Okay, so as soon as I connect to other Wi-Fi connection, I will be losing that. server. So that's why I will be sharing that notes to your WhatsApp group. Okay, so don't worry about that.
Ma'am, can you show again
So
how to like cut and copy paste?
yeah, just here you have to select the cell and then click on the cut. Okay, so click on the cut, so and then go for the other cell, so then you have to click on this paste here. So that is nothing but cutting and pasting. So you had cut from the G3 cell and pasted into the D6 cell. That is about cut and paste it here.
Yes.
Okay, so now here the next is about the copy. Okay, so copy you will be having two types. Okay, so copying you will be having two types here. Okay, so there are two types here. Okay, so one is copy and other one is copy as picture. There are two types of copy, so that is nothing but copy and copy as picture. Okay, so first one I will be telling you. So this is, if you just click on the, this is called as the copy option. So if you just click on this corner, so you will be having the two options. So that is nothing but copy and copy as picture. Okay, so the first one I'm using now. So just click on this copy. So now the cell has been highlighted here. That means it is ready to paste. Okay, so even in the status bar also it is visible. So select a destination and press enter to choose paste. Okay, so now go for any other location and then click on this paste here. That's all. So this is nothing but, so say how many number of times you want, you can just paste it here. So what is the shortcut key for paste?
Control V.
Control plus
Correct.
V.
Correct. So for copy it is control C. Okay, so and then for paste it is control V. Control V. Okay, so now from how many times I can paste? So I can paste infinite number of times, but until I activate the selection. Okay, so if I want to deactivate this selection, press escape key in the keyboard. Okay, so now I have used the escape key in the keyboard. So now see, can you paste it here? No, you will not be able to paste here because I have deactivated the copy menu, mean copy option. Understood? No? So you can paste it infinite number of times. Okay, so now this time I will be teaching you like how to paste it, so how to copy this in a picture. So the second option is nothing but a copy as picture. So the cell which I wanted to copy, so I'll be selecting this cell, so and then click on this corner, so and then click on this copy as picture. Okay, understood girls? So I'll
Ma'am,
just
can you
click on
repeat
this.
it?
Yeah. So copy as picture.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do is, so you have to place the cursor and then click on the corner of the copy option. So and then click on this copy as picture. Okay, so click on this copy as picture. So now it is showing you as shown on screen, and the format is in the picture format. So now click on OK. Okay, so now it has been copied. Okay, so now if you just click on this paste, see now it has been pasted here. See, NICT computer education, like that it will be copying as a picture, like that. So wherever you want, you can just copy and paste it here. So copy as picture, again click on OK. So again paste it. See, wherever you want, you can just place this. Understanding, no? So this is about copy as picture. So you can increase the size of this, you can increase the height and width of this, whatever you want, you can just do it. See, while putting the headings and all, you can use this actually. Okay, so you can just place this here. So and then press Ctrl F2. See, you will be getting the heading like this only. Okay, so this is about the copy as picture. Okay, clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
could you show your notes once?
Ha.
Ma'am, what's the cut command? Is it Control plus X?
Yeah. Control X, correct.
Okay.
So in this paste, no, so we are having 14 types of paste. So that is called as the paste special. Okay, so paste special options. Okay, so now paste special options. So I will just discuss with you now. So now I'll just prepare the data. So I'm just preparing the simple data here. Okay, so now I'm using the formula to add. Okay, so I'm using the formula to add this. Okay, so what I will do, so is equal to sum sum. Okay, is equal to sum, and then open bracket. Okay, so open bracket. So and then I'll be selecting this cells. Okay, so now I'll just close this bracket. So and then press enter. See, now I'll be getting the total.
ma'am, can you
Okay,
repeat?
yeah, so is equal to sum. Okay, so is equal to sum, and then open bracket. Okay, open bracket. So and then you have to select the cells. Okay, so whichever you are required with, and then after selecting, close bracket, and then press enter. See,
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. So now here I'll be preparing one more data. So that means, so this is marks of one that is first standard, and this is marks of the second standard. Okay. So now I'll prepare another data here. Okay. So this time I will not be using the formula. So this one I will just edit it. So by putting the color. Okay. I'll be putting the color, and then alignment I'll be putting here. Okay. So then some number formatting you will be getting here. So this number format I'll just put it here. Okay. So the number format, so I'll just select this number here, 306.00, or else I will
Excuse
put here
me.
as the sales 1 and the sales 2. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, for a minute I got disconnected. I just didn't understand how did you get 306, ma'am. Could you explain that all those steps again, please?
Yeah. So is equal to, I mean, you put is equal to sum. Okay, so is equal to sum, and then open bracket. Okay, open bracket. So then you have to select the cells. So from B2 to B5. Okay, just click and drag over there, and then after finishing you just close the bracket. Okay, so and then press enter here. So now I have put the particular color here. I have put the particular color here, and then I'll be changing the number format also as currency. See, I'll be getting the dollar format here. So dollar 306.00. Understanding, girls? So this is about the color changing format, and then this is about the number changing format. So here I have selected the currency format. So please take down all these steps.
Ma'am, please can you write it in the notes, ma'am?
Yeah. So now here, so what I have used, so I have put the formula. So the sum formula. Okay, sum formula. So that is nothing but is equal to, okay, sum. So and then open bracket. So now B2, okay, is to B5. So this is, I have used the cell address here. Cell address in this particular cells I have used the numbers. So that's why I am typing here as B2 to B5. If you have used the numbers in other cells, so that particular cell address only you have to put here. Understood, no? So then I have formatted. Okay, so I have formatted with a color. Okay, so then I have even formatted with what number formatting, number format, that is nothing but dollar sign, dollar. Okay, that is nothing but the currency format. Okay, currency. Okay, understood. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just using the paste special options. Okay, so now see, paste I have only one. Okay, but whenever I copy this, so then only I'll be getting the paste special options. Understanding, girls? So now I'll just select this B6 cell. So and then I'll copy. What is the shortcut key for copy?
Control C.
Control
Ah,
plus C.
control C. Correct. So I'll use control C. Say now I have copied. Okay. So now I am just going for the paste option. So now can you see all the options are available. Okay. So paste values, other paste options. So totally there are 14 options. Okay. So now what I will do is, so I'll be first option is about the pasting option. So just I will click on this paste here. So this is nothing but pasting only. So normal paste I'm using here. So this is nothing but normal paste. Okay. So however it is there, so automatically it will be pasted like that. Okay. So that is nothing but the paste here. So and then the second option, so this is about the paste as formulas. Okay. So paste as formulas. Okay. So if I just click on this paste as formula, so the according to the formula only it will get pasted. So just I will click on this. So this particular data's total I will be getting here. So this is normal paste. And then this is nothing but paste as values, paste as formulas. So even formula also it will be pasted. Can you see here? C3 is to C5. Okay. So automatically it get pasted. Means C2 it has to become C2. Okay. The same I'm getting. So I'll just change the value here. Okay. So this is nothing but the paste. So and then this is nothing but the paste as formula here. Okay. So this is copy and then this is nothing but the paste here. Okay. So this is paste as formulas. So now this is about the paste, paste as formulas and number formatting. Okay. Paste as formulas and number formatting here. Okay. So now for the same cells it will get formatted. Okay. So paste as formulas and number formatting. So which is the number formatting here? So number formatting is currency, that is nothing but the dollar. Okay. So number formatting is dollar, that means the currency.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, for me here the currency is in rupees. How can we change the
Yeah,
currency?
obviously. Yes, yes. So in my system, I have set the country as US. So that's why I'm getting the currency format as dollar. Okay. So in your system, you have default set as India. So that's why, I mean, the country as India. So that's why you'll be getting there as a rupees. It's let it be, not a problem. Okay. So later on, I
Okay.
will be teaching you how to change the currency and all. Cell formatting. So the number formatting is dollar currency. Cell formatting is nothing but the color. Okay. So color. Okay. So then formula. Formula is nothing but the sum formula. Okay. So according to this, you can see the changes here. Okay. So now this time I will copy and then I will be paste. I'll be using the paste special, the fourth option. Keep source formatting. Okay. Keep source formatting. So keep source formatting is nothing but, so here what I have to do, C2 is to C5. Okay, so keep source formatting.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand this.
See, pasting is not, see all the 14 types of paste I'm just listing here. I'm just showing here. Okay, so first type of paste is nothing but automatically the copy and it will be pasted. Okay, so even the formula, say for this particular data I have used the sum formula. So for this particular data it will be used both the sum formula and then it will get pasted. Okay, for in the first case. So then in the second case, paste as formulas, only the formula will be pasted, not the formatting. Any other currency, any other color, so all those it will not be copied and pasted here. Okay, so then in the third case, paste as formulas and the number formatting. So what is the number formatting here? So the number formatting is currency, that means the dollar. So paste as formulas. So here formula also will get pasted and the number formatting, that means the dollar currency also will get pasted in the third case.
Yes.
Understood, no? And in the keeps fourth case, that is nothing but keep source formatting. So both it will get pasted. So that means again in the same way, formats. Okay, so formats, that means any kind of alignments or any other things, all the formats, currencies, cell formatting, number formatting, current formula, everything will get pasted in the fourth case, like that. Okay, so and then what will be happening in the next case? So I have copied this, so then I will go for the paste, so and then use this border. So no borders. Say now in this case what I will do, so I will just copy, I'll put the border to this, so all borders. Okay, so I will copy this, so and then I will paste this. See, I got the border. Okay, I got the border for this particular cell, but this time I will not be using the border here, so no borders. Okay, no borders. Okay, so no borders. Okay, so border is nothing but if you just activate this, so it will be like a border. See, for all the four sides you will be getting the lines like that. So again if you just click on this and again click on no border, so the border will be deactivated, like that. Okay, understanding? Then again I will copy, so and then I will paste this. So go for the paste. So and then this is about the keep source column width. Okay, so the same column width it will be applied. So the same column width it will be applied here, like that. Okay, so this is about the column width. Okay, so column width, borders, everything it get pasted. Okay, so now again copy, and the next option is about this one, transpose. So here in this case I cannot use this transpose in this particular data. Okay, so transposing I will be showing you here in the I column. So if I just type the data here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now I'll just copy this. So then I will be pasting it here. So can you see this? 1 2 3 4. Paste as transpose. Okay, so this is called as paste as transpose. Okay, paste as transpose. So paste as transposing is nothing but, so whichever the data, if you just copy the data which is in horizontal format, it will be converted into the vertical format. And the vertical data if you copy, so and then it will be converted into horizontal format, like that. Understood?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I did the same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, and I select copied it, and then I clicked on
Ah,
transpose. They're telling that the
hmm.
selection is invalid.
No, no, no. You type 1 2 3 4 in different cells. Okay. So different cells. So now you just select all the column. Okay. So all the column. So and then go for this copy. Click on this copy. Okay. So now go for this. I mean, click the. You have to come outside. Okay, so then you have to click on this paste, so and then you can use this transpose.
Ma'am, can you explain about column width?
Column width is nothing but, so the same column width, same border, same formula will be pasted here. Okay, so what you wanted to see is, so you just see the column width is 12.29. Okay, so the same thing it will be copied here, I mean the pasted here. So just click, so and then you have to use this, so paste special. So that means keep source column width. So now can you see this? So the column width has been increased here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Column
Thank you.
width has been increased. Like that. So then the next one, select this copy. So then so go for this paste. So paste as values. So the first one is nothing but the 306. So automatically, so only the 306 value will get pasted. That's all. Whatever it is there, so the same value will be pasted here. That's all. Okay. So paste as values. Okay. Paste as values. So then next one. So again copy. So then again place the cursor here. So and then click on paste. So then this is about the values and number formatting. So here formulas will not be copied here, I mean pasted here. Only the number formatting and the value will be pasted here, like that. Okay, so paste as values and number formatting. So what is number formatting? So number formatting which I have applied here is dollar. Okay, so dollar currency. So the dollar currency and the particular number will be pasted here, like that. Understood, girls? That means any other color, any other alignment, width. So everything it has not been pasted here. And even the formula also it has not been pasted here. You can just observe. So again the next option, copy, and then again go for this paste. So So this is about values and source formatting. So if you just click on this, so the sum formula will not be copied, okay, will not be pasted. So only the formats will be copied. So that means values and source formatting. Values and source formatting. Okay, source formatting is nothing but the color and all, it will be cell, or else it is also called as the source formatting. Understanding, girls? So
Yes,
again I will click on this copy. So the next one we will see. So next one is nothing but the formatting. So if you just click on this, only the formats will be copied. Formatting. Okay, so only the formats will be pasted here. So format means what? Uh, Format means this color, border, width. Okay, so all those formats will get pasted here. Okay, so then I'll copy. So and then the next option, so that is nothing but paste as link. As link is nothing but whatever it is there here, so it will be pasted, that's all. No formats, no selection, everything it will not get pasted here. So even it has not been displayed the formula also. So which cell we have used to copy, so that one it will be showing you here. So can you see in the formula bar, we have selected the copied cell, the 306. So that means the cell address is B6. So that B6 is showing here. So which cell we have copied? So that means copied cell is B6. Copied cell is B6. That one it will be showing you if you just click on this in the formula bar. Okay. So now again copy. So again the next one, again click on this. So so can you see this? So if you just click and drag, so it will be pasted as a picture. Okay, pasted as a picture. Okay, so if you just click and move, so it will be dragged. Okay, the next one, last one. So select this, copy, and then go for the next one, paste last one. So this is nothing but linked picture. So if you just click on this, so it will be linked picture. Picture is nothing but, so it will be formatted, I mean it will be pasted as a picture and with a link. Okay, so linked picture. So these are all the 14 types of, okay, 14 types of paste. Okay, any doubts? So you have to work on this loop. Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood, girls, about the today's session. Okay, so I have cleared all these clipboard options. So then I will tell you about the format, everything, and the clipboard in the next class. So when is your next class?
Monday.
Monday, correct. Okay. So by the time you have 2 days to practice, that is Saturday and Sunday. So you please practice all those things. And if you are having any doubts, please ask me. Okay. So bye. Happy weekend, girls.
Happy
Bye,
weekend,
ma'am.
ma'am.